Introducing the TruControl by Stillen, your ultimate plug-and-play tuning solution. With the TruControl, you can effortlessly enhance your vehicle's performance without any special tools or tuning knowledge required. It's an easy to install and warranty-friendly solution that puts you in control. To elaborate a bit further on what makes the TruControl warranty friendly, it's actually quite simple. Our product leaves no trace behind on the ECU or any other part of the vehicle that it was ever installed. Simply remove the device and unplug the wiring harness, put everything back to stock, and head down to your dealership, and they'll actually have no idea the TruControl or a tune was ever installed in your vehicle. On today's video, we'll be discussing the TruControl available for the new Smartstream 1.6 liter turbo, available in a few different makes and models, like the Kia K5 or the Hyundai Kona or Elantra. Now, on a completely stock vehicle, we saw gains of up to 30 wheel horsepower and 40 wheel torque, again, on a completely stock vehicle using nothing but the TruControl power module. Now, this actually makes the TruControl one of the only available tuning solutions for this brand new motor, providing with factory style wiring harness and plugs to plug directly into your engine bay sensors. Increased horsepower and torque is not the only benefit of installing the TruControl. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits is a significantly improved throttle response. This means your engine reacts more swiftly and smoothly to your inputs, giving you precise control with an exhilarating driving experience. Whether you're accelerating from a stop or even overtaking on the highway, the enhanced throttle response ensures a quicker and more confident performance. Not only that, but you can actually optimize your fuel consumption with the TruControl. Our customers have reported gains of up to a modest 2 to 3 miles per gallon, providing a noticeable savings at the pump. Enjoy more miles per gallon and fewer stops for refueling. You can drive with confidence knowing that your TruControl by Stillen is protected by a 5-year limited warranty. Engineered to withstand the toughest conditions, our product is built to last, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. That's not all. Flexibility is absolutely key with the TruControl. Unlike many other tuning solutions, the TruControl is not VIN or ECU locked, making it completely transferable. If you purchase a new vehicle, simply have the TruControl reflashed and contact us to get the new vehicle-specific harness. This feature is ideal for warranty-conscious customers who want to enjoy an enhanced performance now and utilize an ECU flash later after their warranty has expired. You can contact us today to learn more about this program. Experience the thrill of enhanced power and torque gains backed by Stillen's commitment to quality and innovation. Our 14-day satisfaction guarantee ensures you can test the TruControl in your own vehicle completely risk-free. Installation is a breeze, taking only about 15 minutes with no splicing or soldering required. Plus, with our custom tuning options, you can optimize your vehicle's performance to suit your specific driving style and your vehicle's supporting modifications, like intakes, exhausts, and more. Stay connected with our Bluetooth integration and our completely free app, allowing you to switch between up to 7 different maps, from a race mode to an eco mode, at any time instantaneously. No need to pull over to the side of the road and hope your battery doesn't die like many OBD tuning and flashing solutions. Unlock the true potential of your vehicle with the TruControl by Stillen. Experience the difference today.